Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we begin, I just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a kind of late video. I'm going to be doing some Christmas holiday themed nails, but still going to post it just to get content out. But we're using my square extra short coffin soft gel full nail covers. These are available for purchase on my Etsy shop. As always, the link will be down below. So yeah, I'm just going in and sizing them out. As I said, this video is kind of delayed. They were supposed to be out before Christmas, but you know, life just happens, and yeah. So to apply these, I'm going to be using my solid nail tip glue gel. This is also available for purchase in my Etsy shop, and I'll have the link to these down below. But for this nail design, it's super easy. I'm just going in, scooping out a pea-sized amount and applying them to my nail. A lot of you guys absolutely love this product. This is a bestseller in my Etsy shop, and I'm so happy you guys love it because I love it just as much as well. This product is amazing. It's changed the nail game for me significantly. It's just made the whole process of applying nails so much quicker and easier and faster. I wanted to show you guys the base product that I use. I want to start showing it more often. Usually when I record videos, I'll record multiple nail sets at once, and that I just showed you is like a glue nail polish type thing. So you apply it, and then whatever you apply, it's a barrier, so whatever you apply over top of your nails pops right off. So that's what I'm using. But if you want these nails to last you 2 weeks or more, you do want to fully prep your nails properly. So I'm just going to sit back and let you guys watch me work. If you happen to get any excess nail glue around the cuticle areas or the sides of your nails, you do want to make sure that you remove that fully before curing. As always, you want to cure your thumb separately, but now I'm going in and I'm just lightly filing my nails. These are pre-shaped soft gel full nail covers, so the shaping is all done for you. So if you have problems shaping like I do, they're perfect. I definitely recommend giving them a try. But yeah, I'm just going in and filing my nails. So for color, I'm using this rubber base coat. This one is by Nails Cat Cat. I'm not sure of the name. It's either Frenchy or Naked. It's one of those two. But as you can see, it just had the numbers at the bottom. So I'm sure the numbers match up to the color. But those two are my favorites and those are my go-tos. But yeah, I'm just going in and applying it to my nails. I'm doing I believe I did 2 coats of this. You can build this polish up, or so you can apply it as a regular gel polish, or you can build it up as I'm doing here, like a builder base, And the builder base is going to give you the richest color, but if you apply it like a regular gel polish, then it'll be translucent. So I'm just going in, and I believe I did 2 coats of this. As you can see, here is another tip. I go in and I swipe the sides of my nails just to remove any excess gel polish before curing, and so my nails are still nice and sharp and the polish didn't make the edges like round and bulky. Alright, so now for the design portion, we're doing like a string light theme across my whole nail set. So I'm going in with some black. You could also do like a silver color, that would be really cute as well. But for this video I went in with black, and then these are dual-ended nail art pens from Amazon. They're my favorite. It comes in a set of 5, or I believe 7 actually, so you get 14 different tips, and they are great. They're perfect. They're all you need, honestly, for nail art designs. Besides daughter tools, you need those too. But I'll have the link to them down below. They're my absolute favorite, and they're very high quality. It was very hard for me to record this on camera just because whenever I do like hand-drawn designs, it's just super hard. So I apologize if I go out of frame, but you kind of get the gist of it. I'm just kind of going in and making them, each nail connect, and making like a string light across all of my nails. Another tip is, like, if you mess up or if it doesn't look how you want it to look, please just don't be irritated. I had to remove plenty of times in this video. Just have patience. You'll definitely get the hang of it. Doing nail art is not for the weak. It's very hard, and this is a super easy design, and even I struggled. So if you give this a go and it doesn't work out for you, just have patience, remove it, try it again, and I'm positive you'll achieve it. But yeah, I'm just gonna sit back and let you guys watch me finish drawing this design. So now we're gonna go in with some Rhinestone drill point nail glue pen, and these Rhinestone rainbow gems. These are both available for purchase on Amazon. But yeah, I'm just going in and I'm doing whatever colors you think would be best. Christmas colors, really, like green, red, yellow. I think I did blue too. You know those like little rainbow Christmas lights that you ever see? That's the vibe I was going for this. Okay, so now top coat, and I messed up because you were supposed to do top coat before applying the rhinestones. So make sure you apply top coat first and then do the rhinestones. But no biggie if you messed up like me. All you have to do is kind of go slow and go around the rhinestones, unless you do want to cover them. Up to you. I just personally don't like to cover it because I feel like it gives it a weird color. Like the actual rhinestone has more clarity if you don't cover it. That's just how I feel. But some people like to cover it. They like to encase it. So it's your call, but I definitely recommend doing it beforehand. And then I just went in with some cuticle oil. I say it in every video. If your cuticles are dry and crusty, your nails are not going to be cute. Invest in a hydrating, ultra hydrating cuticle oil. It's very important. And here's the final design. Like I said, super cute, very delayed. This was definitely supposed to go out during the holidays, so I apologize. I just really wanted to spend some time off on everything, work and everything. I hope you guys enjoyed the holidays, and I hope everyone is having a wonderful new year. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye!